All right. So the next thing that I want to talk about is how we talk about our images through the language of print. One of the things that we do in our first client meeting, I call the one photo. I know there's other names out there. Pi from SLR Lounge calls it the wave process. There's lots of people who do this. So I'm not going to claim I invented it, but Abby and I have been doing this for years. We ask all of our couples in our first meeting, if you could only have one photo from your wedding, what would it be and why? And if you could hang it up somewhere in your house, where would it go? And we'd both like you to answer separately, to have a photo that means something to you. And the answers are always varied. Sometimes it's a portrait. Sometimes it's an important guest at their wedding, but we always write it down and remember it. One that sticks in my mind is we had a groom who told us in that meeting, my future wife's relationship with her dad is one of the most special things in the entire world. So if I could only have one photo from my wedding day, it would be the first time that her dad sees him, or sees her rather, on the wedding day. That was it. He wasn't even in it. Would be in a different hotel at that point in time, but that was the one photo that he wanted. So we always take a voice memo after our meetings, and then we add the notes to our CRM. And then when we go to the wedding, we have that and we know what that one photo is. And then they always tell us where they want it to be hung in their house, or if they want it in their album, so that now we're already anchoring that moment to a physical product that is going to exist in their life. So when we get that photo on the shoot, we'll say, hey, remember, back 18 months ago when you booked us for your wedding, that you told us that one photo that you wanted for your wedding day? Well, we just got it. And I cannot wait for you to hang this in your living room or your bedroom or wherever that they said that they wanted to have that. And without fail, every single time we do this, people are floored. Not only can they not believe that we remembered this, but now they're even more excited for that print to exist in their life. So steal that, do it. I didn't invent it, but it hands down, again, through the whole journey, ties the client into the printed product. So now they want it. We're not even talking about price. They will pay anything for it because now it has value. Now it means something.